Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the avatar editor on Roblox so you can control each worn item. Once there, inspect clothing, accessories, and body tabs. These house what you wear. Click accessories to see hats and gear, and clothing to view shirts, pants, and t-shirts. Make sure you're editing the correct outfit slot, otherwise you'll change the wrong saved outfit. Start removing items by selecting their slot so you can clear or replace them. This keeps your avatar predictable. Now remove specific items one by one so nothing unexpected remains. Click a hat or accessory and hit remove or set it to none. For shirts and pants, pick the empty option or delete the asset from that slot. If you changed a body type, switch back to the default body to remove custom meshes. Once done, create and save a new outfit with those empty slots so you can reapply this stripped appearance instantly without re-editing each item. Finish by applying and testing the outfit in-game to ensure items are gone and the avatar looks correct. If changes don't appear, log out and back in or clear cache, because syncing delays can hold old visuals. For stubborn accessories added by scripts or games, open Roblox Studio and remove those objects from the character model or disable the equipping script. This prevents them from reappearing. If problems persist, revert to a saved empty outfit and repeat the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.